I want to talk about the US dollar Canadian dollar, which has now targets long at 134.40 and 135.70, and this solid support does not apply to this. So only targets at 134.40 and 135.70. Just scratch the support here. It's not applied to US dollar Canadian dollar. So let's review this. Let's review this market here, the US dollar Canadian dollar. Let's switch to the charts. And this market, as you know, has been supported. I've been very wary about shorts, although we had an extension shorts, which actually was participated a number of times, and the actual level is the low here, and was participated a number of times, but eventually it's giving way here. And the reason for that is there is strong monthly dumb money participation on this market. It's really important to understand how the different type of players that we model with the models on price of algorithms, as well as dumb money, which is represented by moving averages here. Because whenever there is that presence, market has a very difficult time moving lower, even if there is smart money that is trying to push the market lower. So there was smart money initially that was trying to contain price of Canadian dollar versus US dollar. With the latest developments in the US dollar, obviously, they gave way, and the dump money, it's actually pushing this price higher. So where this market can go, this market has clear targets on the daily. They can be seen on the daily here. There is a traditional measure move here, which actually supports the is supported by the weekly trace here at 128.55. There was participation last week, 130.36, and this obviously has targets above. And the interesting thing is that the first target of the daily setup coincides with the first target of the weekly setup. So here we have two different families of program trading and algos who are actually pushing this price higher. So make no mistake, we're going to see very soon the 134.37, even if the dollar index corrects. And this might take 1 week or more, but eventually we're going to see price at 134.40. The point is that this price has also the potential to continue, because there'll be no resistance until we get into 135.80. All right, so this is very important because there will be no participation short until we get there, at least until we get there. It's very important. If you're long, you should keep your longs and try to bring this price into that target there. And what can we see here is so this is what we can see here on the US dollar Canadian dollar, and this concludes the review for the US dollar Canadian dollar for today, October the 26th, 2016.